going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today we got a case unboxing, and before I really get too much into it, I do want to point out that it does come in an outer box, which is pretty heavily damaged. But yeah, let's open this up and pull the case out, which it's not as bad as I thought it would be, but oh yeah, it's actually took a heavy beating right here across the top. As you can see, like a big giant impact kind of right there. You can kind of see where it crushed the corner of the box. But this is the Q Case. I think this is like the final case of 2023. So yeah, I'm not sure if they have another case after that, but as you can see, the Q Case right there. I'm going to go ahead and cut this thing open, lay it down carefully, and we're definitely going to be unboxing this, and I really hope that we can get the treasure hunt and super treasure hunt from this. So we will definitely find out. And let me carefully lay down this way. And I actually forgot to check to see what the super and the regular treasure hunt for this is, so let me check that real quick. Alright, so the regular treasure hunt is a Volkswagen, kind of like Baja Beetle, and the super treasure hunt is a green Volvo. So that's kind of what we're going to be looking for in this video. We're going to start right up on top where the impact is on the box. And, okay, luckily it's nothing crazy, but there's a little bit of damage. First up, we have the Rockin' Railer. We have the 84 Pontiac Firebird in white, which actually looks pretty cool. It's a new color on that. And then the Ford F-150 Lightning Custom. This is the one that does have a little bit of damage on it. A little bit of dings on the edge of the card, but actually not too bad. And really, before I get too far into this case, I do want to say I do have a merch store. There's going to be a link down in the description down below, and a lot of these duplicates or ones that I just don't really care to collect, they will be on my website. So definitely go check that out, link in the description down below. And like I said, I have a bunch of individual Hot Wheels. A lot of them are from case unboxings. I also have premium cars, RLC cars, as well as like monster trucks. So definitely go check that out. And then for my main YouTube channel, MT Paradise, I actually have a bunch of other cool car themed kind of products. So definitely go check that out. Link in the description down below. But let's get back to this case. Alright, so then we have the custom small block, the Audi 90 Quattro, and the 71 Plymouth GTX. Ooh, okay, so we have the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution, and then we have the Barbie 1956 Corvette, and the Land Lowrider, but we did previously see this in pink, so now we got it in blue, so I might actually open up one of these here in the near future and put it with my 6-lane raceway, because I do have a bunch of other cars that I've opened up and I race them. So if you guys have not seen that video, or any of those videos, I do shorts every single day with Hot Wheel races, so definitely subscribe so you guys don't miss out on those. And so we have the Jeep Scrambler, the 84 Audi Sport Quattro, and then the 92 Dodge Viper RT. Alright, we have the Hot Wheel Water Bomber, the Clip Rod, and the Batman Animated Series Batmobile. Alright, we have the 80 El Camino, the Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0, and that's actually a new color on that, and then the tuned twin mill. Oh, okay, we got a couple different motorcycles here. So we have the Honda Super Cub Custom, the Subaru WRX STI, and then the Honda Super Cub. So I guess one of them is... Okay, so the Super Cub Custom has like a little carrying box there in the back. So they're very similar, but a little different. Alright, next up, Ooh, we got a car that I've been really excited about. First we have the 82 Cadillac Seville. Then we have the McLaren Solus GT, which I'm actually very, very excited about this car right here. And I definitely will be opening up one of these and having it in a future Hot Wheel videos, being able to race that and everything. And wow, this thing just looks super cool, very futuristic looking. I mean, that is amazing. And it's a McLaren. And obviously McLaren makes a bunch of different models. So now we got a new model to add to the McLaren lineup. But we also have the 69 Dodge Charger 500. Alright. We got a new color on the limited grip. And then we have the GMC Hummer EV. And then this is pretty interesting. It's a Land Rover Series 2. And it has like no roof or anything. It's just like the windshield is folded down, and this one actually has a surfboard up on top that says Land Rover across that. So that's actually kind of interesting. I don't know if I'm going to open this up and put it on the 6-lane raceway, but if I do get one that's damaged, that actually might happen in the near future. So definitely stay tuned for that. Alright, so we have another Batman Animated Series Batmobile, the Solero GT, and a new color on the 1986 Toyota van. Ooh, that's kind of cool. So the Sandburner in a really nice cool color, the Rescue Duty, and the Skyfire. Ooh, okay, we got a couple of good cars here. We got a Koenigsegg Gemera in a really nice, it's kind of like a, more like a red-orange color, a little bit more on the red side, which that looks really nice. But I've been excited about this. We have the Porsche 911 Turbo 3.6, and that looks absolutely amazing. It's obviously a tuned Porsche, and I've been excited to be able to race this, especially against the Toyota Supra and the Dodge Charger from Fast and the Furious. And there's also a couple other tuned cars that I have, so I want to do a whole race with just tuned cars. And I've been waiting to get one of these. I was actually hoping to get one that's damaged so that I could open it up. But if I don't get any that are damaged, this is definitely going to be the one that I do open up and race. So definitely stay tuned for some of those videos in the future. But we also have the Cloud Cutter. And that was the first half of the case. Let me pull the divider out and get to the next half. Okay, cars are kind of stacked weird in here. Let me just kind of pull them out one at a time. Oh, that one's got a little ding on the bottom. Alright, ooh, okay. So we have the 69 Ford Mustang Boss 3.2, which is actually in a really cool Falcon livery. I'm excited about that. This might also be one that I open up and put on the 6-lane raceway, but we'll definitely see. I have a 57 Jeep FC, which I did see that in the previous case. Another Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. Alright, woo, okay. So we have the Classic 55 Nomad, which that's actually a really cool car. The Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510. This was the previous car, which was a Super Treasure Hunt. And it kind of has like pink paint, but then when the light reflects off of it, it reflects kind of like a nice cool blue color. So that's really cool. And then we have a Lightning Bug. Ooh, okay, so we got a Mad Manga, which is in a really cool color. We have another 71 Plymouth GTX, and then another McLaren Solus GT. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be opening up one of these in an upcoming video. This one is actually also in perfect condition. So we will see if I open up one of these two, or maybe I'll go to the store here in the next day or two and see if I can find any, and then maybe if I find one in a dump bin where the package is all destroyed. For collectors, it's not really worth much, but for me to be able to open it up it'd be pretty awesome. So I might actually be doing that. Alright, so we have the Hot Wheel Water Bomber, a Rockin' Railer, and a 64 Lincoln Continental. Another Solero GT, a Dune Crusher, and the Heavy Hitcher. Another Jeep Scrambler, another tuned twin mill, and another animated series Batmobile. I think the last case actually had 3 of those gold Batmobiles as well, so that's kind of interesting. Ooh, okay, so we have the power panel here, the 82 Cadillac Seville, but we got the regular treasure hunt right there, the Volkswagen Baja Bug, and where is it? Right above the back wheel with the really small logo. See the treasure hunt logo there in yellow and black. And then, I don't know if you guys are going to see it there behind the car. Maybe if I turn it upside down, you might be able to see it a little bit better. There you go, on the card, you can see that behind the car, which that is the treasure hunt for this case. So it's actually pretty awesome. Like, this is a really cool looking treasure hunt, and the package is in great condition as well, which I always hate when there's like a treasure hunt or super treasure hunt and the case is all, or the package is all messed up. But this one actually looks really good. So definitely put down in the comments down below what you guys think of this treasure hunt. I think this is one of the good ones, especially for this year, being like a real licensed car, and these are always really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and set that aside and continue on with the box. We still have not found the Super, and I'm really hoping that there's one in here, but we will definitely see. Kind of getting down to the last few in the case here. And let's see. We did not get the Super treasure hunt. So, of course, the next car I pull out right off the bat, we have the Volvo 240 Drift Wagon, and that would have been the Super treasure hunt. So, unfortunately, we did not get it, but that still looks pretty cool. Maybe if I get another one of these, I might race that on 6-lane raceway, because that does look pretty cool. But, unfortunately, it is not the Super. But we also have the Hot Wheel Papa Wheelie, which that's a really cool color scheme. And then we have a Mad Mike Drift Attack, which that's actually pretty interesting. Ooh, okay. And then we have a Subaru WRX STI, a Tesla Roadster, and a Dodge Charger Drift. And we have another Land Rover Series 2, 80 El Camino, and 84 Audi Sport Quattro. Ooh, okay. So we got another Ford F-150 Lightning Custom, another Porsche 911 Turbo, which is the tuned one, and another 69 Dodge Charger 500. And we got 3 more cars left in the case. Let's see what they are. Okay, not too bad. We got a Mad Splash 92 Dodge Viper RT10 and the Lane Lowrider. So we did not get the Super treasure hunt, but we did get some pretty awesome cars. I was actually super excited about that tuned Porsche, as well as, I mean, being able to get that treasure hunt was pretty exciting. There are a couple other really cool cars. The McLaren Solus GT. I was super excited about that. But if you guys like this video, definitely hit that like button. And like I said, I do have in the description down below like the link to like my website, which is like my merch store. You guys can go hop on there, check it out. You can browse the selection. I have a bunch of Hot Wheels. And some of the Hot Wheels I do have listed on there, I actually did open up some more in here, such as the 69 Dodge Charger 500. I actually had one of these on my website. I did sell out. So now I'll be able to have another one listed on there. So if you guys are interested, I think I actually have 2 of those. There's a bunch of other cars in here that I will likely put on my website as well. I'm going to keep a lot of these, but I think there's obviously a lot of duplicates, and the duplicates will end up on my website. I'll pretty much be able to use that to put back into ordering more cases, getting a lot of other cool Hot Wheels as well to be able to show you guys and be able to unbox, and also on my 6-lane raceway to be able to race cars, being able to get them, open them up, and have a lot of fun with Hot Wheels. And keep bringing you guys a lot more videos. But if you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.